Hi guys, so we're here at Google function and I'm receiving my silver button. I've actually received it, and guys, this silver button is for you and you and you. Guys, you're supposed to bear. Guys, you're supposed to bear.
Will you keep quiet? Continue.
Guys, you're supposed to be there by 9:30. Right now it's 10:30. Like you're 1 hour late. I'm here with my sister and.
Okay, and brother. Here I'm the brother, the Uber driver today.
Yes, guys, we are late.
Okay, I think you're nervous. I think you're nervous.
I'm kinda nervous, guys. Of course I'm nervous because we are late. We're supposed to be there like an hour ago.
Okay, and what do you expect when we get there?
I expect to meet so many people like Wabosha, Joanna K. I expect to meet
and do you think Jesus will be there?
They must be there because I think it's for people who have over 100k subscribers. Yeah, so of course they are there.
Okay, me what I'm just expecting, I want to meet these guys and just take selfies with them. And guys, I think the day will just be fine.
Yeah, we're going to have fun, and enjoy and take pictures as well. Yes, of course, with the people. So I just can't wait to meet the famous Kenyan YouTubers. Yeah,
we gotta be there. We're getting
and
there.
this is how we're going to be looking at people. Really? One is guys, it is huh?
You're already late, man.
Yeah. It's 11, guys, it's 11.
You're already fucking late.
That's the whole idea of culture, right? You're going to educate people, get the Japanese Marvel and, all these things. You have to watch the whole thing. I know that this is quite
tell you that's no mean achievement. It takes a lot of work, a lot of dedication, a lot of consistency to get this done. And so we will start. Let's start with TheWaJesusFamily.
Hello guys, I'm actually so excited to get here with my sister. Okay, I'm also a YouTuber actually, Rawbean HD. I have 1,000 subscribers, but I hope one day I'll get where she is right now. So guys, just continue subscribing. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to her channel, subscribe. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please just do me that favor. Just one favor. Just go and subscribe, Rawbean HD. I'll put the link down below and
So I'm so happy for my sister today. She's received an award, a silver button award, and thanks for you guys for supporting her and subscribing and watching. And so keep watching. And I'm also a YouTuber as well. Not a YouTuber, an artist. So go search for nanah and subscribe. I love you guys.
Yeah, congratulations. Thank you. Yeah, well done. We're very proud of you. Yeah, and we're rooting for you. 1 million next time.
1 million.
Gold button.
Yes.
Brilliant.
I'm receiving my silver button. I've actually received it, and guys, this silver button is for you and you and you. Like, it's for you guys. Thank you guys for getting me to 100K. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for getting me to this where I am today. I love you guys.
Everything is straight.
Two. Yours? Yours or mine?
Mine.
Yours? Okay,
2 hours later.
Record. Definitely pick.
Oh, that's all.
6.5 hours later.
Liquid duration. Nimesaidiwa na askari.
Karao lazima itoke.
Na record. Usiweza sione.
Na karao lazima itoke.
Okay. Thank you. Nasijatoa kitu kidogo. Unataka kitu kidogo?
Sasa sisikie.
So guys, I'm eating lasagna. It's actually a dessert. So I have your lasagna. I don't know what this. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Cakes, pineapple, watermelon, and lasagna. So sweet.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Flying up in a bar, wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge.